Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have some fresh leaks surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, and this one is packed with potential upgrades that could redefine the ultra-lightweight drone market. While we should take these rumors with a grain of salt, the leaked promotional images circulating online, particularly on, suggest some significant improvements. If these leaks hold any weight, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be the biggest step forward in the Mini series since its inception. A familiar form factor with a big upgrade. One of the most exciting rumored changes is the 1-inch camera sensor, which would be a significant upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This means better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and higher quality imaging. For content creators on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, this would make a world of difference. The Mini series has long been known for its ultralight 250g weight limit, and it looks like DJI has managed to keep this form factor while implementing major camera improvements. The gimbal design remains similar, allowing true vertical shooting, which is a huge plus for social media creators. AI-powered tracking is also rumored to be enhanced, making the drone even more autonomous, possibly improving active track and obstacle avoidance for smoother tracking shots. Enhanced flight time and range. A huge talking point is the battery life. According to the leaks, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could have up to 50 minutes of flight time, a major leap from the 34-minute battery life of the Mini 4 Pro. This alone could make the Mini 5 Pro a must-have for drone pilots who want to maximize their time in the air. The transmission range is also rumored to be increased to 25 kilometers, which, if true, would be an outstanding upgrade from previous models. DJI's OcuSync technology has always been top tier, and an improvement in signal transmission would make long-distance flying much more reliable. New obstacle avoidance system? Another area where we could see a big leap is in obstacle avoidance. The leak suggests that the Mini 5 Pro could feature omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which would be a game-changer for pilots flying in tight or complex environments. The leaked images also hint at dual vision sensors, plus 2 black sensors inside that likely assist in navigation. There is also speculation about the inclusion of LiDAR sensors, which could improve mapping and object detection. However, the images do not clearly show a LiDAR unit, so we'll have to wait for official confirmation. If DJI is truly implementing advanced AI-driven obstacle avoidance, this could make flying much safer and more intuitive, especially for beginners. Low-light performance and infrared sensor? A fascinating rumor floating around suggests the inclusion of infrared sensors for better low-light landing. This would be particularly useful for nighttime pilots and photographers who want precision landings in dimly lit areas. Additionally, downward vision sensors and LED lights could improve landing accuracy and terrain detection. A built-in audio recording feature? Another unexpected but exciting rumor is the potential addition of built-in audio recording. If true, this would be a unique feature for DJI's drone lineup, allowing users to capture ambient sounds or voiceovers while filming. While audio recording directly from a drone isn't typically a priority due to propeller noise, DJI could be implementing some kind of AI noise reduction to enhance audio clarity. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Who is it for? With all these rumored features, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be an excellent choice for travel vloggers who need a lightweight, high-performance drone, social media creators who benefit from vertical video and AI tracking, hobbyists looking for an advanced yet portable drone, professional filmmakers need a compact, high-quality camera drone. How much will it cost? There is no official word on pricing yet, but given DJI's history, we can expect the Mini 5 Pro to be pricier than the Mini 4 Pro. If the rumored 1-inch sensor, extended battery life, and AI-powered tracking are indeed included, it's safe to assume that DJI will position this drone at a premium price point. Final thoughts. So, is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the next big thing in ultralight drones? If these leaks turn out to be accurate, we're looking at a serious upgrade that balances portability, camera quality, and flight performance. The 1-inch sensor, improved battery life, advanced obstacle avoidance, and AI-enhanced tracking could make it one of the best compact drones ever released. What do you think about these rumored upgrades? Would you consider upgrading to the DJI Mini 5 Pro when it officially launches? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest tech leaks and reviews. See you in the next video on Techno Trend Zone.